Alright guys, so here I am at a Walmart doing a quick scan, see what they have. Looks like they don't have very much, with the exception of these 5-packs. Look like they stocked up on those. I already have this one. I did a video on that one. This exotics one is from 2018. Pretty cool. They stocked up on these 5-packs Matchbox. You have some of these Hot Wheels Super Rigs. These are pretty new. I've never seen them before. Let's see, you have some of these peg warmers. Matchbox Super Fast. Have some Disney. All the same. They're all Ralph. Another Ralph. Here's a Mulan. Here is Jack Jack. And here's some Car Culture Power Trip. I already have that one. Garage Legends. Here's a twin mill, and they have some of these Hot Wheels Stars and Stripes. I never did find the whole set until now. Looks like they have a full set, but I'm still not gonna take it. It's not my cup of tea. Have some of these super fast, more peg warmers. They have some of these cool NASCAR. Not really into those either, so just showing you guys really quick what they have. Here they have some of these Just Trucks. Nothing that I care for, from what I could see. Not very much on Micro Machines. There you go. Let's see what they have down here. You have this Jetta Choice Avengers 2010 Chevy Camaro, Brian's Ford Escort. They have the Fast and Furious Zozo Jeep Gladiator. We have some more Avengers cars here. Another 2010 Chevy Camaro and another one back there. Let's see here. Tech. Some Big Time Muscle 2020 Corvette. This one's really cool. Too bad that the scale is too big. And here's another Corvette in black. See what we have over here. We have some Jeeps. 2014 Jeep Wrangler. Here's another Wrangler, and here we have 2011 Ford F-150 SVT Raptor. Let's see what they have down here. We have some of these NASCAR Authentics big rigs. This one has the FedEx Deco on it. Here we have the Thor Sport Racing. I wonder if it has any cars in it, or it's just the big rig. And here's this one here. And here's another one here. What the Bass Pro Shops Deco. Pretty cool. Not into those though. Alright, here we have just some Hot Wheels stuff. Very large scale. Let's see what we have here. We have a 2007 Jeep Wrangler. Pretty cool. We have a 2020 Jeep Gladiator. This one's really cool. Looks like the tires are interchangeable on this one and this one here. There's another one back there, as you can see, but it's the same as this one here. So over here we have some Maisto. Have that one. There's this one, 1993 Ford SVT Cobra. And over here some more Jetta toys. What do we have here? Some Mario. Here we have some M2. Check out this one. Ooh, look at this one, guys. Wow, this one's really, really cool. Definitely gonna pick this one up. It's got the IROC Z. This one's very, very nice. Definitely taking this one, guys. Alright guys, so that's pretty much my score for today. Hope you guys like it. See you guys in, you know what, these are new. Check this out, guys. This is the new Cadillac. in the 9-pack. Pretty cool. This one's the same. All right, guys. All right. So it looks like that is it. So yeah, definitely I'm taking this, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Later.